Hello everyone, I am MS Bhagavati Ammal, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Our subject code is GE3151 and subject title is Problem Solving and Python Programming. Unit 2, the topic is Python Introduction and Python Interpreter and Interactive Mode. Let's discuss about Python Introduction. Then what is Python? Python is a general purpose, interpreted, object-oriented, interactive, high-level programming language. Why we told general purpose means Python is used for many platforms, that is web development, data science, mathematical calculation, machine learning, then Internet of Things, etc. Then the applications of Python is web development, software development, mathematical and science calculation, then research field, etc. The real-time example of Google, Facebook, NASA. Then next one is features of Python. Easy to learn. Python is a simple programming language with few keywords, simple syntax which is easy to learn. Then interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. Then interactive. We interact with interpreter directly to write our program. Then object oriented. Python program is built around objects with combined data and functionalities. Then next one is high level language. When writing a program, no need to bother about the low level details such as managing memory, etc. Then simple. It is a simple language. Reading a Python program feels like reading English. Then portable. Python can run a variety of platforms. Then free and open source. We can freely distribute copy of Python software. Then extendable. We can add low-level modules to the Python interpreter easily. Then easy to maintain. Python source code is easy to maintain. Then Python interpreter and interactive mode. Python is an interpreted programming language because Python programs are executed by the Python interpreter. Then interpreter takes high level program as input and execute the program. Then interpreter process the source program without translating it into a machine language at a minimum time. Then what is interpreter? Interpreter takes high level program as input and executes the program. Interpreter process the source program without translating it into a machine language at a minimum time. Then this is the interpreter diagram. We will give the input as source code and input data. Then Python interpreter display the output data. Next one is compiler. Compiler read the entire source program and translate it to machine readable form called object code or executable code. Once the program is compiled, the program can be executed repeatedly without further translations. Then this is compiler diagram. Then we will give the input as a source code into compiler. Then compiler translate the source code into machine code. Then input data executed and display the output. Next one is Python interpreted mode. Python interpreted mode is a mode where script and finished by .py files. That is .py is the file extension of Python and it run by the Python interpreter. Python programs can be executed in the following methods, that is using command line window, using Python idle, then directly from command prompt. The first one is using command line window. The following steps are followed to the command line window. First, open command line window. At the Python prompt, type the following print statement, hello Python. Hello Python is mentioned inside the double quotes. Then press enter. To exit from Python, type the following, then .exit. Then this is the interpreter mode using Python idle. Idle is integrated development and learning environment. Is a tool which is included in Python installation package. If we click the ideal icon, it opens the following Python shell window. Then this is the command prompt window. Then directly from command prompt, the following steps are followed to use the command prompt. Open text editor to write the program. Type and save it by filename.py. Then open command prompt, type the name of the program, press enter. The next one is Python interactive mode. Python interactive mode is a command line cell which gives immediate feedback for each statement. We interact with Python interpreter to write a program. Here the execution is convenient for smaller program. In interactive mode, we do the following steps. First one is user type the expression, then immediately expression is executed, then result is printed. Then this is the interactive mode. Thank you.